Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to save picture from Instagram message or DM to your gallery. So here I've already on the Instagram apps, and then I'm going to go to my DM, click on the top right here, and here someone says send a photo, and I'm going to save it. So what you need to do, you can find the save option when you open the when you see the message here. You can find the download or save picture option. So what you need to do is you can just long press like this and click on more, and here you'll find save. That's the first option. Or you can also click on a photo and you'll find the arrow down like this. Click on that and the photo has been saved. Okay, so that's all for me. That is how you can save picture from DM to your gallery. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye.